Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a balcony room tour of 6324 on Carnival Conquest. Looking at the map, that is almost exactly between the forward and the mid elevators. It's a great location. Starting off with the closet space. Already got some of my stuff in there. And this. And now some of you have asked about this. These do fold up, so you can put longer stuff there, or, you know, kind of a choose your own adventure as far as the closet goes. Not a lot of space, but, you know, make it work for you. This is a standard bathroom size for a Carnival cruise ship. Got some storage here for your toiletries. Fold out mirror, outlet for the razors. And it does include shower gel and shampoo. And of course, a hanging line to dry your swimsuits and all that stuff. And a little bit of stowage down there. All right, let's check out the rest of the room. We've got a little vanity area, hair dryer. These things are not the greatest. I mean, they're one of those press to hold dealies. I always bring my own because I feel like it takes forever to blow dry my hair with those. But if you're trying to pack light, it'll do the trick. We've got this area here. These are the bags for laundry. So if you're looking to send off laundry, that's where they find it. Usually comes with some slips. I do not see that, but you can always ask your housekeeper and they'll give you one. Little stool down there to sit at the vanity and do your makeup or hair. This is the chiller or refrigerator. It feels pretty cold though, so it might actually be a refrigerator. Usually if it says it's a chiller, it'll inform you this is not a refrigerator, this is a chiller. So you can always ask your room steward for ice if you've got items like medicine that have to stay cold. Got the safe here, and the TV, the menu. Now, most notably about Carnival ships, guys, about half of the ships I've been on have this type of traditional TV where you've got the different channels. And you've got movie channels that have designated times for movies. The other half of the ships have like an on-demand. They've got regular channels, but they have an on-demand movie situation. So you can select the movies and start them whenever you want to watch them. So this ship has the regular ones. This is a fold-out bed, so if you've got more than 2 people, this is where they would sleep. Little table and outlets. I almost forgot about outlets. Let's talk about that. We've got one here, and it looks like on the nightstands we've got USB and USB-C. Over there, same situation, and over on the other side, same thing. A little bit more stowage over here. All right. And let's check out our port side view. Hello, Devin.
Hello.
Checking out the view. We got 2 small chairs. Little table. Nothing above us. Nothing obstructing our view below us or to the sides. Port of Miami, and it is a gorgeous day, especially for January. I will take it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you're considering a cruise on the Conquest, I hope you have a wonderful time. Don't forget to subscribe to check out my future content. Until next time, see you later.